Here's the other Fender Elite I got. I think it's a 1984. This is a USA one. This is a collector owned, collector grade. All the case candy, the case, all original. Very nice to excellent to almost mint shape. I won't say mint because somebody will find something. It was really never played. It's all set up with low action. It plays good, and these are just different guitars. Here's the three different switches for the different pickups. This has got a wild electronics in there. Right now I think I'm on the bridge and the neck pickup. They're good guitars. They're not all good, but I happen to find some good ones. They only made these a couple years. Look at the headstock on this thing. What was Fender thinking? I mean, look at that knot, but it works. You tune it right here. But of course they didn't stay with this system. But if you're a collector, some people are for these, and if I find a great guitar that sounds and plays good, I just have to buy it, especially if it's old and it's Fender. Here's just the neck pickup. The middle pickup. The bridge. Right here.